Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're installing the airlift kit on my 2020 Mustang GT. As you guys know, I got it about 3 weeks ago and we're doing the suspension now. We're installing the 3P kit. I'm going to show you guys the kit inside the boxes. We're taking them to a shop, get them installed. Alright guys, so here it is. The package has arrived. Those are the back air struts. These are the fronts. This is the tank, the management system. We're going to load them in the van. Right, I'll see you guys when I get to the store. Now, quick cold start. Alright boys, I'm leaving the car here at the shop right now. Going to get the airlift kit installed.
Have one Friday next week. Next week or this Friday? Also, this one, if you want to pull it manual. If you want to go back down, click this one. And you'll go down on that one. And vice versa. So these are all just manual buttons. Okay. That's all it is. So the airlift is going to be your ride height, meaning that every day you drive the car, that's going to be the height that I set it at. Okay. You could always change it, and I'm going to tell you how in a second. So this is your ride height or ride height. So when I click airlift, I'll click it one more time.
Alright guys, so we're now on the way back home, and just to give you like a quick review of the bags, I've been driving for about 30 minutes and they feel like stuck. They feel like I'm driving the car completely stuck. Here's the controller. I'll show you guys more when I get home, but feels like the car is stuck. Feels really good. Definitely great quality. As you can see, I'm hearing heavy traffic right now. Okay, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Alright guys, so we just got back from installing the kit. I just got home. As you can see, there it is, the airlift suspension. Before I air out for you guys, let me show you how it looks. As for the regular ride height, that is the ride height the shop set it to. Is almost like stuck. There's the car right there. Now I'm going to air out and show you guys how it looks. Here's the remote. What we're going to do is, there we go. Okay, so we're all the way down on the floor. There it is. Damn, she looks good. Okay guys, so that's going to be all for this video. We got the Mustang bagged. It looks really good. Right now, as you may have seen, as you can see, I'm currently installing a front chin spoiler, but that's for the next video. I'm going to make a video now installing that chin spoiler, and at the end I'm going to show you guys how it looks bagged with the new chin spoilers. But for now, that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.